In this AI commission agents review, I'm going to be showing you a software that they're claiming they're getting 493 free Google AI clicks with one search of this traffic agent bot to his website. I'm going to be showing you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out AI commission agents, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says new for November 2023. With one click, we snipe 493 free Google clicks with one AI search of his free traffic agent bots. Run agents send free AI traffic to your website or anywhere else as well here, affiliate links, wherever. So essentially they're using the power of AI to get free traffic. They show some screenshots here of doing it, of getting traffic coming into their websites, monetizing it with affiliate offers. But it is definitely one of those things where I know these guys are using AI in their business. I don't want you to think that you're magically just going to like click a software and get free traffic or make like $9,000 here like they're showing. Inside of here, you are going to learn some different loopholes. They do have software that could help you out in making this a little bit easier. But I just want you to know there is no magic bullet to anything out there, but this could help you to utilize AI or show you and open your eyes to the power of how you can automate different processes. And that's the thing with AI. It's about automation. It's not about replacing us yet. It's about making it so it's kind of like an assistant for you in your work. So I'm going to go ahead and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the backend area and the OTOs. Okay, so we're back. So this is the backend area that you have access to. You can create these little AI agents to do different tasks here, like Google search for keywords, scrape, a little scrape bot for URLs, select URL, select item from scrape, all these different commands that you can make it do. And you can create something that will actually do all these different things for you. It's kind of like a little virtual machine for you. So of course, they're going to be showing you exactly how to set this up, how to get it going, and how to create your little AI agents. Now, there are multiple upgrades. First one is a copy and paste one. Now, it says copy and pasted done for you AI agents that bank $500 a day. I don't want you to think that you're going to be making $500 a day from something like this, but it could help make it a little bit faster for you. So this is the first upgrade that you're going to see. The next upgrade you're going to see, it says you can unlock, this. I think this is an unlimited version of this, or the pro version of this. So that's just another upgrade. This one here is they'll set up the agents for you. So if you don't want to do it, you don't want to learn how to do it yourself, they'll set it all up for you. Next one is a graphics app that will create different e-covers and logos using AI. Another one is keywords. So if you want to get some keywords that are like profitable keywords to rank for. Another one here is ChatGPT videos. And then they've got one here for AI graphics. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about AI commission agents and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it's got a lot of hypey stuff on the sales page, lots of crazy stuff going on there, income screenshots. So I just want you to know, again, there's no magic push button for anything out there. This is just a software. It's not going to fix all your problems. What do I like about it? These guys, like I said, they're actually using AI in their business. For these kind of products, I think they can definitely open your eyes to the possibility of AI. So if you'd like to use something that could help potentially automate some aspects of your business, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my AI commission agents review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.